4939238, 4939242, Justice Commander 3, Edward's Integrity, a new alarm for my collection, the FCI HEF-STW, and the Wheelock EH-EO1, and the Chevron. And guess what, everyone? Today is National Fire Alarm Day. So I'm going to be doing a sound off with my electronic horn strobes. I think for New Year's, you know what's going to be for New Year's? It's going to be mechanical horns and mechanical horn strobes and bells and stuff. But anyway, I don't want to waste any of your guys' time. So let's go ahead and sound this off in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah, hold on. One more thing. Alarms might be a little bit underpowered, so just gonna let you know. So anyway, here we go. There we go. Yep, and that is it. So I hope you all enjoyed this sound off. Go ahead, like, rate, comment, and of course, subscribe to the channel if you guys want to see more videos of this. So have a nice day and happy National Fire Alarm Day, everyone. See ya.